I think that you've really learned from me a lot of where I am now, and just to keep in mind that I didn't have words for my story for a very long time. I've just written a chapter for a book about a lesson I've learned from the Holocaust. And I think if I would put that in this interview, I think predominantly for me is the importance of breaking silence around trauma. That bad things happen to a lot of people, and very often they keep it in. And for me anyway, it's been very healing to let it out, to find people to talk with, to find a group who can identify with similar kinds of trauma, and to break that silence and that feeling, let us say, of difference. So that's what I would say.